Your magnetic appeal is what drives this person crazy. This person is literally besotted with you. They try and downplay their emotions for you. As you can see with the Hermit card, the Hermit's holding a lamp, and in the lamp is a star. You are a star to this individual, okay? And this person wants to capture your star, your essence, your light for themselves. They secretly fixate on you, and everything that they admire about you, they actually want to embody themselves. And they also don't want you to experience other people. And when I say experience other people, I mean in a sense of, engaging with friends, family members. This is the type of person that will get jealous of your family members for spending time with you. They want your energy for themselves. This person is obsessed with you. And I feel like this individual, for some of you, you could be in a long-term relationship with them. And I feel like I'm not picking up any... Well, I feel like this person is overly possessive of you. You may have had arguments with this individual in the past about their obsession. But I feel like this person feels as though they lack a lot, and being with someone like you, they feel like you're out of their league, and they can't believe that they are in a relationship with you. They can't believe that someone like you would want someone like them. And that's why they cling on to you very much. And for some of you, you're not in a relationship with this individual, but this person hides their emotions. They will downplay. This person is very smart, so you wouldn't even know that this person feels this way towards you. But I feel like this person is extremely territorial, extremely fixated on you, extremely obsessed with you. And they work very hard to hide these emotions, and they work extremely harder to stay in your life. They downplay their romantic feelings for you, and they have a lot of romantic feelings for you. I feel like this person has managed to suppress this side to their actual attraction towards you. But if you found out how this person feels, you'll be very shocked. This person feels very wildly besotted with you. They have to contain these wild thoughts and these wild emotions. Rihanna, wild thoughts. This individual has been lying to you, because for some of you, it is a friend, and they have managed to conceal their emotions. Their emotions are running wild. Their emotions are all over the place in regards to you. It's like they lose all senses. And I feel like this person has done a lot of things in the background to make sure that other people don't come close to you. And they have sabotaged certain opportunities for you, certain relationships for you.